Hey everybody, check out this waterfall. I'm in Fenelton, PA. Driving back roads looking for an abandoned train tunnel that I heard about. And I came across this waterfall. Check this out. I just noticed this. The water's coming from there, but if you look at the rocks above it, there's no water coming off the rocks there. That's coming out of the ground, or maybe out of a small tunnel or something up there. I might have to take a walk up and look. But check this out. In Fenelton, PA. Beautiful waterfall as I'm searching for a tunnel out here. Nice find today.